So this will be the opening scene. Folks, if your pop-up camper needs a new mattress, we've got you covered. ColemanPopUpParts.com has high-quality pop-up camper mattresses available. They're made right here in the USA. To properly measure for your new mattress, it's best to remove the old mattress from the bed frame. With the mattress off and a tape measure, measure the width inside the frame and the depth. To see if you can increase the height of your mattress, I recommend a tissue box test. An empty tissue box placed on the bed frame and the pop-up completely closed will let you know how much height you have available. So if you have a 4-inch tall tissue box and it doesn't get crushed when it's closed, you can accommodate a 4-inch tall mattress. For the pop-up camper behind me, we've ordered 2 brand new mattresses. Let's unbox them, get them in the pop-up, and see how they look. We brought our mattress into the pop-up still in the bag. It's a lot easier than getting it out of the bag first, trust me. And again, with scissors, we're going to remove the plastic. You can find these products and many other pop-up camping related items at ColemanPopUpParts.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.